I don't know what a parasite marshmallow is. I know what it is, but what's a mite? You don't know what a mite is. You're making mite marshmallows to try to feed Grandma Freddy. What? Um, a mite is something weird, ain't it? What is a mite? You have to rub it on your back to get the mite. Don't do this. I'm trying to watch my movie. You watch this movie slash thing every day. But I'm trying to watch it with my time. One bad episode of Roxanne. I heard a new way to feed your kids. You take marshmallow and you rub it against the bed, but it has to not be washed for 3 months. Actually, probably a week. You rub it. I'm not really rubbing it because I want to eat it. Sometimes, Foxy, first you tried to make a diss track of dang marshmallows, but that ain't even out. And then now you're trying to rub a marshmallow and trying to feed your grandma Freddy. You know? Touch marshmallow back in the back. Hey, but I rubbed on the bed. You did it. Hey, why did you punch Grandma Freddy? I had to. He was so dumb. What?